Hi everyone. Today in this video I am going to solve some examples on Laplace transform. So without wasting our time, let us move to the whiteboard. Find the Laplace transform of find the Laplace transform of, briefly I will write LT, Laplace transform of sine square t. Okay, so in this case I will write sine square t is equal to, as by using cos 2x formula, sine square t we can also write it as 1 minus cos 2t, 1 minus cos 2t divided by 2. This is the formula for sine square 2t. Now what is Laplace transform of sine square 2t? Laplace transform of sine square t is equal to Laplace transform of 1 minus cos 2t divided by 2. This is equal to. Now in this case I will write this 1 by 2 outside. This 1 divided by 2 I will write it outside. If you write it outside you will get 1 divided by 2. The remaining terms are Laplace transform of 1 minus cos 2t, 1 minus cos 2t, and this is equal to 1 by 2, write as it is into bracket. Now what is this Laplace transform of 1? Laplace transform of 1 is equal to 1 divided by s minus. What is Laplace transform of cos 2t? Cos means you can write s divided by s square. Without h means you can write it as plus, divided plus 2 square is equal to 4, and this is equal to, so now you can write this 1 divided by 2 as it is into bracket. If you take LCM, what is LCM? LCM is s into s square plus 4, that is s into s square plus 4. And now by using cross product, we can write it as, this is 1 into s square plus 4 is equal to s square plus 4, and this minus s into this s is equal to s square, so minus s square, where plus s square and minus s square get cancels, so we are left with, that is 1 divided by 2 into bracket 4 divided by s into bracket s square plus 4, where again 2 and 2 get cancelled, so here we are left with 2. So total we get Laplace transform of sine square t is equal to 2 divided by s into bracket s square plus 4. Next example, find the Laplace transform of sine square 2t. Find the Laplace transform of sine square 2t. Again by using the previous formula, as we know that I will write it in terms of x. Sine square x, or by using the same formula, that is sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. But in place of this x, we have this 2t, that is 2t. So put this value of x is equal to 2t. You will get Laplace transform of sine square 2t is equal to 1 minus cos. Now this 2 into this 2t is equal to 4t divided by 2. This is Laplace transform of 1 minus cos 4t divided by 2. You can write this 1 divided by 2 outside. 1 by 2 outside. Now I will write directly. What is the Laplace transform of this 1? Laplace transform of 1 is equal to 1 divided by s. And Laplace transform of cos 4t. First I will write minus sign as it is. Cos means you can write s divided by s square plus a square. A value is 4 means 4 square is equal to 16. So s divided by s square plus 16. 1 divided by 2 into bracket. If you take LCM, LCM is s into s square plus 16. S into s square plus 16. By using cross product, 1 into s square plus 16 is s square plus 16. And s into minus s is equal to minus s square, where these two terms get cancelled. Plus s square and minus s square get cancelled. So we are left with 1 divided by 2 into bracket 16 divided by s into bracket s square plus 16. Again these 2 ones are and 2 8s are. So total you will get 8 divided by s into bracket s square plus 16, which is the required solution for sine square 2t. Now next example, what is Laplace transform of 4 into sine square t into cos 2t? Okay, in this case, first I will write this 4 and cos 2t as it is. Okay, 4 cos 2t into sine square t is equal to, I will write this 4 cos 2t as it is into. Now what is the formula for sine square t? You can write sine square t as 1 minus cos 2t divided by 2. Okay, now here 2 ones are and 2 twos are get cancels. So what you will get, this is equal to 2 cos 2t into bracket 1 minus cos 2t. This is equal to, now multiplying or simplifying this bracket, 2 cos 2t into 1 is equal to 2 cos 2t, and then this 2 cos 2t into minus cos 2t is equal to total minus 2 cos square 2t. Cos square 2t. Again this 2 cos 2t write as it is minus 2 as it is into bracket. Now what is the formula for cos square 2t? As we know that cos square x, we know that cos square x, we can write it as 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. Now only in place of x we have 2t. So this x is replaced by 2t. So we can write it as 1 plus cos 4t divided by 2. This is equal to, this 2 and 2 get cancelled. So at last you will get 2 cos 2t. Then this minus into 1 is minus 1, and minus into cos 4t is minus cos 4t. This is the value of 4 sin square t into cos 2t. Now you can apply Laplace transform on both the sides. Laplace transform of 4 sin square t into cos 2t is equal to Laplace transform of 2 cos 2t minus 1 minus cos 4t, and this is equal to, first I will write this 2 as it is. Now what is Laplace transform of this cos 2t? Laplace transform cos 2t, cos means s divided by s square plus a square. A value is 2 means you will get that is 4, minus what is Laplace transform of this one? Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s, minus what is Laplace transform of cos 4t? Cos means again s divided by s square, without h means it is plus, 4 square is 16. So this is the required solution.